from start to finish with the real coconut milk, not the fake one. Alright? No chemical. Very fantastic. Fine dining rice and peas in your kitchen from Chef Ricardo. Anyway, thank you so much guys for tuning into the show and watch my show. You know what I mean? A lot of people love it. They say Chef Ricardo. Thank you. You know what happened? I've been getting called from all different parts of the world right now at the moment about talking about detoxing, losing weight, eat healthy, and all these things. You know what I mean? I want to make Jamaica know that say Jamaican people need to get into this thing of detoxing in the body. Alright? Because we use a lot of spice, we use a lot of seasoning. I mean, not spices, a lot of seasoning. Too much spicy food does not too good for you. You know what I mean? You can eat spicy food, but not all the time, because spicy food do help kill out some of the bacteria inside of your system. Alright? So not every time you must eat spicy food. But anyway, I make you a fine dining rice and peas from start to finish. Enjoy it, leave your comments, subscribe, clicking the bell, very important. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and you can get a lot more recipes. If you doesn't like it, please leave your comments below. Tell me what you think. I might have said, oh, Chef Ricardo, you do a lot of whole heap of rice and peas. Yes, I'm gonna do a whole heap of rice and peas. Every day you learn. Every day. You never can too old to learn. Every day I learn something new. Every day you learn something new. So listen, new rice and peas, new ideas, new things. And I will still ever make rice and peas. Because, you know what I mean? Different ways, different ideas, different people make it different ways. You know what I mean? Only thing we're not gonna do is use green peas to make rice and peas. We're not gonna do that way. We're gonna stick to Jamaican rice and peas. You know what I mean? Give it a little tweak and a little twist. You know what I mean? If you're getting some different flavor. Alright? Some people put honey in it, some people put molasses, all heap of stuff. So I've been seeing different videos with different people making rice and peas. Jamaican have the real way, so we stick to it. Rice and peas from start to finish. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Happy Father's Day in this month. See you soon. Nice and lovely. So basically today I'm going to show you how you can make some rice and peas from scratch. I soaked some peas in my pot from last night, as you can see. Very still hard. I just turned on my stove a while ago. I didn't recognize that I turned on my stove, so I said try to make it go on, get started cooking. So basically the way how you do your peas, the natural rice and peas, is to soak it overnight into some water, and then you can soak it with garlic, and then I put 3 cloves of garlic in the water like this. As you can see, I have half cups of peas in the pot and about 4 cups of water. So I soak it overnight. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be cooking this for about 30 minutes, because when you soak it for overnight, it's very easy to cook in the morning. Alright? So today we want to show you how you can do yourself some rice and peas, and this is from scratch. So basically the peas soon cook. So I'm going to be doing a nice lovely coconut milk for this lovely rice and peas. So first thing we're going to need to do is get this coconut oxed up. Basically, as I always say, most people doesn't have time for doing like oxing up coconut and all these things. People just like to buy probably the tin coconut milk or the box coconut milk, you know what I mean? But I'm just gonna do some coconut from rice from scratch. So I got the coconut, I got the pepper, I got some white onion, some spring onion, and some fresh thyme, and we're gonna put a little bit also of probably all-purpose or some Cajun season just to give it a flavor. All right, so guys, first thing we need to do is to get something really big and heavy and crack that coconut like this right here. I'm not gonna be doing this to show you guys, but I'm gonna be cracking this coconut, ox it out and grate it up. All right, to show you, blend it up to show you all exactly what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be oxing the coconuts. That's the first thing which I'm going to do. So you'll be hearing this in the background by simple, just to make you guys see exactly what I just did a while ago. So what I just did, I just oxed the coconut. I'm gonna simple ox it out like this, and look at that. That's the coconut right here, and that's a little bit of juice inside of the coconut. I thought I would be getting more juice, but it's just a little bit, but that's fine. It's good for you guys to use like either a tablecloth or something to hold the coconut. I was just looking for see if it's going to spoil or something. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna simple ox it out like this. Alright. What I recognize, I'm gonna be cracking up some more of it, so you might hear some more shouting in the background again. Yeah, I just ox it out. Lovely. So that's exactly what I want to see when I'm doing the coconut like this. Nice one. So I just ox it out, and that's exactly what's taking place. So this one, what we're going to do is just, so please, if you're going to hold your coconut, make sure you get like a tea towel or something, and simple. I'm just using my big knife because I don't want to use my small knife on this, because my smaller knife might break. So I'm just wondering if this coconut is good. Sometimes you buy coconut, guys, and honestly, that doesn't good. So you have to be careful of when you're buying your coconut at the local shop or supermarket. So I'm just checking to see. Lovely. So I ox it out, that's fine. This is what we're not gonna be needed. Alright. So these, I'm gonna put these in the bin. Lovely and nice. Because I'm not gonna be needing those bits of the dried coconut. Then what I'm gonna do next is, let's look at this to see if it is fine. Yeah, it's fine, you know what I mean? It's just because sometimes, you know, coconut is if it's spoiled, I see it show mostly in the inside, so I believe it is fine. Yeah, it's fine, good. Alright, lovely and nice. So basically what we're gonna do is wash them off before going any further. Nice one. So I'm just washing them off at the moment. Then I just clear up my surface. This rice and peas is just from scratch, and I want to do this for such a long time for some of my fans that will be requesting certain things like this. Then I'm gonna get my Ninja blender. I just want to do this video from scratch to show the fans exactly what's taking place in the kitchen when you're making Jamaican coconut rice and peas. Takes a little time, but we definitely will be getting there. Alright? So, don't worry yourself when you hear certain recognize being cooking in the kitchen. I'm just looking for stuff just to show my fans that exactly, because I want to do this from scratch, guys. You know what I mean? A lot of people never see I do such a video like this before, and I want to do this one from very, very scratch. Alright, so I have some water and I have the coconut, and all what I'm going to do now is cut up the coconut like this. I'm just using my big knife, but that's fine. And I'm going to pop it straight inside of my Ninja blender. If you got a Ninja blender, it's pretty good to use. Cut it up very finely. Nice one. Lovely. So that's fine. Then next is next thing, we're gonna put some water inside of it, roughly about half cups of water, about a cups of water, just to free up the blender. Lovely. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna be blending this about 3 to 4 minutes on the Ninja blender. So very good. Nice one. So basically, I just finished blending it. So what I'm gonna do is simple, strain it. You get that nice, lovely coconut milk. See that? Look at that. Lovely and nice. And that smells so lovely. Really nice and fantastic recipe, you guys. Honestly, you guys are gonna love this one. Get that milk out of it. Nice one. Yes, that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Coconut milk at home. So now we're gonna show you how to do your lovely rice and peas. And I mean, that's on a Saturday or a Sunday. Set off. Look at this now, guys. Nice and lovely. So basically, look at the peas is cooked. All right. So the peas cook. Then we had coconut milk, what we just made a while ago. I'm adding all of the coconut milk inside of it. Fresh thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and if you see exactly what lovely. And then hold on first, guys, let's make gonna see. So we have all of those items so far. Alright, guys, then what we're going to do next, to our rice and peas, and we want to get some flavor into it. And you know what I mean, it's Chef Ricardo in the kitchen again. We're gonna put some white onion inside of it, and then next we have some of your favorite one. This one is spring onion, and basically you can get this at a local shop or supermarket for buy. We all know that we always using these kind of ingredients at home in your kitchen. That's the spring onion. We're gonna put some cracked pepper, pinch of salt, lovely. And we gotta get that nice lovely flavor into it. Little bit of all-purpose season for flavor. You know, most people when they cook rice and peas and afraid to put stuff in it, but I'm not afraid. You can put a little bit of mixed herb in your rice and peas if you like to. Bring off a lovely flavor. That's natural stuff, you know what I mean? Natural ingredients. And that looking lovely and nice. Give it a stir. Some people put honey in it. We're just gonna keep it natural. You know what I mean? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave this for it to cook for about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna add the rice. Alright? If you want to add anything else we have in your mind, please add it to it. Don't shy. You can add anything else, rest of ingredients you want to add. I just keep my own very simple, natural, and you know what I mean, simple. Some people put honey, some people put molasses, all different kind of stuff. But I'm just gonna just keep it real, you know what I mean, and simple for the fans them. Cause rice and peas is something we're simple, and it's not something we're excited or, you know what I mean. It's just simple. Cook your rice and peas, come out lovely, tasty, and nice. And this is exactly what Chef Ricardo been doing. Enjoy the rice and peas, guys, as we go along. 10-15 minutes, we put in the rice. Yes, guys, things looking good so far. But what I want to do is look at it. That's what I want to do. Alright, now I just wash 4 cups of rice. I'm gonna add it to it. I'm using basmati rice. I can use brown rice, whatever rice you like to use, guys. Honestly, you can use it. But basmati rice is very easy to cook, so basically you have to be careful when you're cooking basmati rice. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be taking out some of this liquid. A little bit too much liquid. Alright, that look bad now. That's look good. Real Jamaican rice and peas at the kitchen with Chef Ricardo today. Alright guys, so as you can see, look at that. Beautiful and nice. Colorful. Everything. Rice and peas from scratch to finish. Look at this. So we're gonna make this cook for about roughly 15 to 20 minutes. Turn on your stove on a medium size heat and allow it cook. When you want to know if you're using long grain rice, it takes a little longer to cook, so you need a little bit more water over the rice. Basmati rice, very easy to cook. You don't need too much water. So right now I'm looking and I might say, I might take out a little bit more of the liquid. Cause it's very easy. I don't like when the rice too soft and sticky, like you're making rice pudding. It's not rice pudding, it's rice and peas. Alright, so basically me have a lot of version on the YouTube channel, but you know Chef Ricardo always doing different kind of version of the rice and peas, you know what I mean. So as I can see that when you're cooking the basmati rice, you're supposed to can see it. If you're cooking long grain rice, you're not supposed to see the rice. It's water supposed to a little bit, at least a quarter of it, because it takes longer to cook. 15 to 20 minutes, good to go from Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how you cook rice and peas from start to finish. Yes guys, nice and lovely. Basically, I want to say I was just, you know what I mean, use my fork and roast it up. Really nice and lovely. And as I said, rice and peas, you can't have too much water in it like this one. Alright, this one I have a little bit too much water still in it because it was basmati rice and it's very easy to cook. So if you're gonna cook basmati rice, guys, I would say just be careful, you know what I mean, because you don't want it too soft and sticky. But pretty good. This is fine. Come on, still lovely. Have a lot of flavor, have a lot of taste. Still looking lovely and nice. So hopefully you will just love this recipe. It's just a recipe from start to finish with the coconut milk and everything. It was fantastic. And I say thank you so much for subscribing to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming for you. So stay tuned and I will see you next time. Bye bye.